be sharing our most memorable experiences inside the elevator. One of my favorite scenes that we shot inside the elevator, pero outside Chichinu, was this rotating seat. Dalawa kami ni Paolo and then rotating camera, but it is inside an elevator. And emotional scene siya kay Bettina, and who knows, maybe it might be their first kiss. So, nagustuhan ko siya dahil it kinda allows me to play with so many emotions at the same time. Maganda yung pag-shoot. That was one of my most memorable. There was a time may tatlong lalaking naka-black, as in full black. Black mask, black hat, as in pang Halloween. Actually, kala ko Halloween. But it wasn't. Medyo scary lang. Kasi pagbukas ko, isang black. Sabi ko, oh, no, hindi ako papasok.